Good morning students. In today's class we are going to solve exercise 1.1 of integers. Okay. The first question tells us that following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. In that the first sub question is observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here we have to observe this number line and we have to write the temperature of the places whatever they have marked here. See here, by observing the number line we have to write the temperature. See here cities temperature. We have to observe this and observe the number line and we have to write the temperature of different places. First here we will Lahul Spiti. Here Lahul Spiti temperature is, observe the number line. See here -1 degree Celsius, -2 degree Celsius, -3 degree Celsius, -4 degree Celsius, -5, -6 degree Celsius, -7 degree Celsius, -8 degree Celsius. Lahul Spiti temperature is -8 degree Celsius. Now what about Srinagar? Srinagar temperature is temperature. We have to write the temperature here. Srinagar temperature is -2 degree Celsius. Shimla temperature is 5 degree Celsius. Ooty temperature is 14 degree Celsius. And what about Bengaluru? See here 20, 21, 22. Bengaluru temperature is 22 degree Celsius. Now observe students here. Here lowest temperature is about Lahul Spiti because here negative integer is there. We know that negative integer will show a lesser value. Yes or no? The highest temperature is here in Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees Celsius. Your highest temperature is in Bengaluru and the lowest is in Lahul Spiti, it is -8 degree Celsius. In first on B question we will see what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. We know that whichever having a more value that will be a hottest place and which place having a lowest temperature that is nothing but a coldest place. See observe the number line. In A question I gave the table also. Definitely we can tell that here the hottest place is Bengaluru and the coldest place is Lahul Spiti because here in Bengaluru it has a positive value 22 degrees Celsius. This is the hottest place and the coldest place is Lahul Spiti. What we have to do? We have to find the difference. Difference means we have to, what we have to do? We have to do here subtraction. Yes or no? Difference. Now see the solution. Temperature of hottest place, that is Bengaluru, right? What is the temperature here? 22 degree Celsius. And temperature of coldest place that is Lahul Spiti because it is having a lesser value, that is -8 degree Celsius. Okay. Now what they do? What is the temperature difference? We have to do the temperature difference between what? Hottest and the coldest place. Hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Students, don't get confused. See here, hottest place is Bengaluru, 22 degrees Celsius, right? They asked me the difference. They asked us the difference of the hottest place and the coldest place. Okay, and the temperature of coldest place was minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now I told you how to solve the integer. 22 degrees Celsius, we have to remove this bracket, minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what is 22 plus 8? 30, right? It is nothing but a 30 degree Celsius. Now we will go for C1. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So if we will write what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Temperature of Lahul Spiti. Temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to, say where is Lahul Spiti? Here. It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. And Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? It is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now they ask us what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. See here, therefore temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Now see, whenever we are taking the difference, we have to take a bigger value. Here minus 8 is bigger or minus 2? Definitely minus 2 is bigger. Minus 2 degrees Celsius, they ask temperature difference, means here minus will come in bracket minus 8 degree Celsius. Now see here, remove the bracket now. Here first minus 2 degrees Celsius, remove the bracket, minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now I told in last class, minus plus is minus. Whatever we are spelling, that operation we have to do. Minus plus is minus. 8 minus 2 is 6. Which is the bigger number? 8. 8 has plus sign. The answer is, therefore temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is plus 6 degrees Celsius. In first question, D1 tells us that, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Okay. First we will see what is the temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is equal to, it is minus 2 degree Celsius. Temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. What they asked us? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Means we have to do the addition here. Okay. Therefore, temperature of Shimla and Srinagar and Shimla taken together. See here, temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Okay, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Here addition 5 degrees Celsius. Now see here, minus plus is minus, whatever we spell that operation we have to do, right? Minus plus is minus, 5 minus 2 is 3. So which is the bigger number? 5. 5 has plus sign, that's why plus. Now see here, what they ask the question, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? See here, here Shimla temperature is there 5 degrees Celsius and here taken together is +3 degrees Celsius. Now see here, if you take temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, it is less than Shimla. Is this is less than Shimla? Yes, 3 degrees Celsius is lesser than 5 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? Therefore what we can tell? Therefore 5 degrees Celsius is greater than 3 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? That is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Yes or no? Again next what they ask, again one more question. It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. See here, is this less than Srinagar? No. The answer is no. Okay. 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. What we can write? The temperature of therefore temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Shimla. Is not less than temperature of Srinagar, right? It is temperature of Srinagar. Now students, see the third question. At Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? What they have given? They have given temperature of Srinagar. The temperature of Srinagar was, see here, temperature of Srinagar. See here, what is the temperature of Srinagar? On Monday, it was -5 degrees Celsius. This was the temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Okay, at a -5 degrees Celsius, Monday, it was the temperature of Srinagar, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means it is reduced. Reduced means we have to do addition or subtraction. We have to do subtraction. What they ask, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? See here, temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Srinagar on Tuesday. So what they are given the condition? It is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means we have to do the subtraction. See here, it is on Monday the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Tuesday it has been reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. Means we have to do minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. It is minus is plus. 5 plus 2 is 7. Bigger number is 5. 5 has minus sign. Now again they ask, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means it has been increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Means temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. On Wednesday. What they given the condition? They told that Tuesday temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius, right? When the temperature we will discuss for Wednesday, compared to Tuesday, it has been increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Increase means we have to do addition. That is minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. See here, minus plus is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. Which is the bigger number? 7. 7 has minus sign. Therefore, we can tell that temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday was minus 3 degrees Celsius.